Hello, my name is Jeziah, and today we're gonna bake some cookies. First, we have to put some butter on the bowl. Whoa! This is so cool. Second, we have to put some brown sugar and white sugar. And next, white sugar. And we have to mix them. And mix them together. Mix them until it looks like this. Next, we need to put 1 egg and mix till combine to smooth. And we have to mix them. Mix the egg well. Let's combine our dry ingredients. Combine our flour, chocolate, baking soda, and salt. We have to mix them together. Let's combine dry ingredients to wet ingredients. Right here, and let's make this. And this. Into this. And let's mix them. Mix them well until combined. Once there is no traces of flour, you can start cooking it in an oven. Use ice cream scoop to scoop your batter and put it on your pan. Bake it at 350, 37, 53 F. Oven for 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, here's our yummy cookies. This is a yummy cookie, so We're done with our baking. Bye.